Okay, ma.
Kizzy and Tom, you are within me, you are infinite, you are unique. My potential and size. You are the one beneath my flesh. You define me, my potential and size. Today I pledge with all my might I have achieved my potential and size.
Very good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning to everyone. Okay, now I want all of you to bring a ball and a towel. Yes, bring a ball and a towel. Bring a ball and a towel. Ask your parents to hold the towel. You are going to throw the ball inside the towel. Okay? You ask your parents to hold the towel. That will be your net. Okay? So you are going to throw the ball inside that net. Fine, go far behind and then you throw it, children. Don't stand too closer to your parents and then you don't throw it. Go a little bit far and then you throw it. Yeah, Sarah is ready. Riyasri is ready. Ready, steady, go. Start everyone. Come on, throw it inside the towel. Focus and throw. Sarah's mom cheating, ball எந்த பக்கம் போகுதோ அப்படி பிடிக்கிறீங்க. No. No cheating, parents. They have to focus and throw. That is the observation. Come on, let them throw. Yes, Adya, little bit back, Adya. It's too close. Little bit back. Yeah, good, Kevin. Mummy is not holding the towel properly, Kevin. Hi, Nitish. What is this? Go back, Nitish. Standing too close and throwing the ball, cheating. Nakshatra only good girl, not at all cheating. Good, very good, Adya Sharma. Very good, Riyasri. Very good, Kevin. Very good, Nitish. Very good, Zara. Then Ilango, I'm not able to see Ilango. And then very good, Nimalan. Yes. Good, Madhuvanti. Shavanya. I didn't see Shavanya. Very good, Nakshatra. Hey, no, it fell down. Okay, one more time and then we'll stop it, okay? Ready, steady, go. Achicho, Sarah. Slowly, children. Don't throw it too fast, okay? Very good. Well done, all of you. Okay, thank you so much. All of you keep your balls aside. Come and sit for your attendance. Come on, all of you. Keep your balls aside. Come back for attendance. Come on. Very good, children.
அப்பதான் உங்களுக்கு கேட்கும்.
Madhuvanti, mute yourself.
बोलो जल्दी बोलो.
I want to play it.
प्ले करेंगे. पहले बोलो
Adya Sharma.
बोलो here I am.
Adya. Adya is absent today. It's not there,
Who is there? बोलो here I am.
Here I am. Okay, good. Next. Ilango.
Here I am.
Very good, Ilango. Nakshatra.
Here I am.
Very good, Nakshatra. Nitish. Very good, Nitish. Kevin. Kevin. Where is Kevin? Kevin. I'm marking you, Kevin. Riyasri.
I am Melila, ma'am.
Very good, Riyasri. Sarah.
I am Melila, ma'am.
Very good, Sarah. Pranavi,
இங்க பாரு.
Pranavi, oh, Pravina, Madhuvanti, I request you mute yourself. தயவு செஞ்சு கூப்பிடும்போது மட்டும் unmute பண்ணுங்கம்மா. Otherwise, nobody will hear me clearly. I will also not able to hear others. Please, this is a humble request. Srinija, Tilakar, Kadambari, Shravanya,
Here I am.
very good Shravanya, Mokshita. Why you are not able to see here? Yes, Shravanya is here. Mokshita, absent. Nimalan, Nimalan,
Hello.
very good Nimalan. Adarsh, very good Adarsh. Madhuvanti,
Here I am, Manila.
very good Madhuvanti. Thank you so much, children. Okay. First, we'll finish off with our rhymes. Okay. First time Mama is going to sing is the butterfly rhyme. First comes the butterfly and lays an egg. Out comes the caterpillar with many legs. The caterpillar spins and forms a chrysalis. Out comes the butterfly and blows a kiss. Okay, next time is that rocket rhymes. Okay, rocket going up in space with the white moon it will race. All the people saying goodbye. Goes the astronaut in his rocket high. And next is the pentagon rhyme. You very well know that. A pentagon comes with five sides, with five sides, with five sides. A pentagon comes with five sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, very good. And next is our drawing time session. All of you, I want you to take your rough notebook. Those who don't have your rough notebook, you can take your English notebook. Today we are going to draw three types of transport. Okay, we'll draw the three types of transport, rough notebook or English notebook. Okay, and then after the session, you color it and send it in group, children. Okay. Yeah, first we are going to draw a land transport. Are you all ready with your notebook? Sarah, ready? Take your pencil, take your notebook. Okay, first draw a square. First draw a square and then a rectangle next to it, and then one curve, another curve. Going to draw a wheel. Okay. Yes. And below this you are going to write BUS. What is BUS? What is BUS? B, uh, B, us, bus. This is land transport.
Finish, ma'am.
Who finished? Kevina, show me a picture.
You're able to see, ma'am.
1 minute. Ah, yeah. Did you write BUS, bus?
Bus is what is it?
Don't
Oh,
sleep,
bye.
don't yarn. Always yarning, this boy in the class. Write BUS, bus.
I love my bus. I love my bus. I love my bus. But
Yes, very good. Sarah, good. Nakshatra, finish, huh? Good.
finish, ma'am.
Who is still drawing? Next, we are going to draw the water transport. Very good, Adya. This is land transport, okay? Next, we are going to draw the water transport. Shall I erase it, children? Very good, Riyasri. Yes, Shravanya, good. Okay, now I'm going to erase it. Next is, we are going to draw the water transport. That is a boat. For that, I want you to first draw a slanting line. Yes, follow me, then it will be easy for you to draw, children. Slanting line, and then a sleeping line, again a slanting line. Slanting line. Now connect these two ends. Now make a triangle on top here in one end. Yes. Now draw lines here. Yes. Now we are going to draw water. Very good, Sarah. Freehand drawing, very well you're drawing, Sarah. Good. Wow, Vilango. Finish. Now, on top of it, you write boat. B-O-A-T. Boat. B-O-A-T. Boat. Finished? Write the spelling. B-O-A-T. Boat. Yeah, finished? Shall we move on to the next one? Air transport. This is water transport. After finishing it, write B-O-A-T near to that boat. Okay? Yes, very good, Riyasri. Very good, Nakshatra. Finish. Okay, next is the air transport. Shall I erase it, children? Yes? Okay. Next is the air transport. For that, first you draw a square, children. Okay? And then on top of it, draw a big balloon like thing. Yeah? And then draw checks inside this basket. And then curves for the balloon. Hot air balloon. Air transport. Hot air balloon. No, Sarah. Like oval you have to draw, Sarah. Like an oval. You can keep dots and give it to her, Sarah's mom. Let her join the dots. Or else you draw it lightly and give it to the parents. Let them trace that shape. Okay? Finish, Adya? Let me see. Hot air balloon. Very nice. Good. So this is air transport, right? I don't have space here. If you have space, draw clouds, children. Because this is air transport. Air transport means it will go in the sky. So above that hot air balloon, you draw clouds near that hot air balloon. Because in sky, clouds will be there, right? Draw clouds. Finish? Yes, Ilango. Good. Children, after this session, you are going to color these 3 pictures, take a snap of it and send it in group. Okay, land transport, air transport and water transport. Color it neatly and then send it in group. Okay?
Acha. She want to show clouds.
Yeah, wait a minute, ma. Let me see. Hi, clouds, small clouds, very nice. Beautiful clouds like Adya Sharma, small clouds. Yes? Finish, ma Nakshatra. Let me see your picture. Wow, what is it? Clouds are on top. Okay, fine, nice. Good. Yes, Nakshatra's dad, you can alter that balloon shape alone, okay?
Okay.
Next, who else? Yes, very good, Shravanya. Well done, Maria Sri. Who's this? Nimalan. What did you do, Nimalan? Balloon shape, ah. Little bit alter his balloon shape, okay, Nimalan's mom, and then you color. Ask him to color.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Nitish. Yeah, well done. Okay, fine. Our activity is over. You're going to color it after the session. Take a snap of it and send it in group. Okay, fine. Finish it. Make it fast, children. Finish it. Adya, come on, read the sentences which I am sharing you. Ma'am. Adya.
I'm sure finished, Mom.
Yeah, I'm not going to ask you, ma. Don't worry. I'm asking Adya.
पढ़ो
Ah,
बोलो she
SHE.
पढ़ो पढ़ो पढ़
SHE, what is SHE?
ऐसे she क्या होता है
She.
she आगे ठीक है
I am
हाँ
inno.
is is she is अच्छा ठीक है
She is. At least one sentence you read, ma. First one you read.
हाँ
She is.
बोलो
IN.
I am
IN.
I am
What is IN? IN.
inno.
In. Very good. She is in. THE. What is THE?
मुझे नहीं पता.
TH. नहीं पता. THE क्या होता है? The. She is in the. What is this? CAR. CAR.
cat नहीं है कैट
Ka
नहीं
a
वो।
ir.
नहीं
Cat
बेटा,
nahi. Ka a ir. What will you drive? Ka a ir.
CAR कार।
Car. Okay, she is in the car. Okay, Adya. Okay, thank you, Adya. Next is Ilango.
It's not a car. It's not a
Ilango.
car.
Yes, ma'am. சொல்லுப்பா.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, read the sentence, Ilango.
Read பண்ணுங்க.
Yes.
Hmm.
H E.
What is the sound of SH?
She. Next.
Hmm. She.
பாருங்க அங்க பாருங்க அம்மா பென்சில் வச்சிருக்கேன்ல பாத்துறீங்க.
Point it out and read. IS.
Yes, S.
IN.
IN.
INN.
THE.
E. The.
The. CAR.
R.
Car.
என்னதுப்பா? கார் என்னது?
Car.
வெரி குட்.
Car. Very good. She is in the car. Okay, now the second one. Try the second one.
read பண்ணுங்க.
HE.
H. E.
She. He.
Very good.
H.
H.
AS.
இங்க பாரு இங்க பார்த்தா
H.
AS. What is AS?
Yes. S.
As. Her as.
has.
Has.
As has.
Has.
He has.
அடுத்து என்ன பாருங்க?
He has.
இங்க பாருங்க.
A. Big. IG is ig. Ig. Big.
Big. என்னது இல்லங்க? Big. இங்க பாரு.
Big. Big.
He has a big.
Big. Look at the action here. Big.
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 Big. Big. BALL.
BALL. இங்க பாருங்க. BALL.
Has.
Oh. BALL. What is it?
சேர்த்து சொல்லுங்க. blend பண்ணி சொல்லுங்க.
Ball.
Big
Ball. He has a big ball. Okay. Thank you, Ilango. You can copy these sentences down, those who want it. Next is Sarah. Sarah. Sarah இல்லையா?
She is there. First.
Come on. SHE.
Be loud.
She.
Louder करना.
Make it fast, Sarah.
He is in the
car.
Very good. She is in the car. Well done. Second one.
fast.
HE.
He. Sarah.
Her as.
Ma'am.
Her as. Has. BIG. What is BIG? What happened to Sarah today?
Sarah, focus.
Come on, Sarah. Big. What is big? Big, B-A-L-L.
What is this?
B-A-L-L.
Ball.
He has a big ball. Okay. Thank you, Masara. Next is Nakshatra. Nakshatra, try the first one. Ma.
First one, buddy.
Hmm.
Yes.
Point it out and read. Issa. S-H-E.
S-H-E.
She.
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 Hmm.
I-S is
Hmm.
I-N in
Hmm. Hmm.
T-H-E the
Hmm. Hmm.
C-A-R car.
Cat. Car. Very good. She is in the car. Good girl. Now second one, try it.
H-E
He.
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 I-S is
No. H-A-S.
H-A-S
What is H-A-S?
is
Her as.
Blend பண்ணி சொல்லு.
Her as.
சொல்லு.
Her as. Her. As is as. Her as. Has. Very good. He has a.
A
Okay.
B-I-G. What is B-I-G?
B-I-G big ball.
Big ball. Very good, Nakshatra. Thank you, ma. Next is Nitish. Nitish.
And H-H E-H-H M E-M
In.
in
Hmm.
T-H-D dog.
Hmm.
Car.
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 Very good. She is in the car. Next one. Try the next one.
H-E-E H H
Her as. Very good. Has a. He has a. One minute. Ig. Ig கிடையாது. Ig. Big. 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 Okay. Big. B-A-L-L. Ball. He has a big ball. Thank you, Manitish. Okay. Children, all of you take your English notebook. Children, I want you to copy these 13 words in your notebook. These are CVC words. That is consonant, vowel, consonant words. Take your English notebook, write today's date and write the heading is CVC words. CVC words, consonant, vowel, consonant words. Copy these words in your notebook. Draw a column in that page, parents. There are 13 words. Write the first five. Finish it fast. B at bat. B a l ball. Next one. B a r bar. Fourth one. B a g bag. B in bin. Write fast, children. Follow the line, children. We are in the end of term 2. Now you should follow the line. Okay? Then it will be very difficult when you go to senior KG. So try to follow the line, children. B will start from the red line to the blue line. A will be in between the blue line, and T again it will start from the red line to the blue line. Like that, follow the line. When you finish 5 words, please tell me. I'll move on to the next 5 words. First 5 words finished, everyone? Is there still anyone writing till 5 words? Shall I move on? Children, when you answer only, I'll know whether you have finished or not. Who is still writing? Let me know.
Ma'am, please wait, ma'am. Namanan is writing, ma'am.
Very good, Kevin. Yeah, finish it fast, Manimalan. Write fast, Nimalan.
Finished, ma'am.
Yeah.
Namanan finished.
The next one, from the 6th one to the 10th one. B-E-L-L. Bill. You can either pronounce it as B-E-B-L-L. Bill. Like that. Or else I-L-L. Ill. And B sound. B-L. Bill. Like this also you can blend it. B-L. Bill. Next is IT. Last 2 words is IT. It. B-It. Bit. Next one. US. Last 2 letters are US. 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 Bus. Bus. And the 9th one. UN. Last two letters UN first. That is an, un, ban, bun. And the 10th one, AD, add, add. Add, add. Bad, bad. Bad, bad. Take your own time, children. Follow the line and write. Write it neatly. I want to see what you have written. After you finish it, ask your parents to take a shot and send it in group. I want to check whether you are able to follow the line and write. I want everyone to send the copy of this in group.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Manimalan. Till 10 you have finished, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah, good.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. Finish, Nakshatra. Shravanya, Ilango.
Younger finish, ma'am.
Very good, Ilango. Kevin.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Kevin. Shravanya. Riyasri.
Still writing, Shravanya.
Madhuvanti. Okay, right.
'Ma'am.
Very good, Riyasri. Finish. Still we have 3 more words, children. Make it fast. Shall I move for the next 3 letters? Next 3 words. 11, 12, 13 is given here. B-E-D, bed. From bed you have to write, children. B-E-D, bed. B-O-X, box. Box. Next is big, big. Bed, box, big.
Ma'am, Shravanya finish, ma'am.
Very good, Shavanya. 13 words. The weekend you have to learn it, children. On Monday I'll be asking all these words. Okay? Finish? Shall I stop sharing? Very good, Kevin. Very good, Riyasri. Finish. Good. Yeah, good, Riyasri. Has everyone finished? Is there still anyone writing? Yes. It's okay. Thank you, children. And I have got the name list of what prop talk you are going to do. Is there anyone who is going to give your name today? Yes? Is there anyone who is going to give your name today? Still you
Sorry, ma'am,
haven't
we
given.
were not there yesterday. What is it all about?
Sorry? Regarding the Children's Day prop talk.
Okay, so everyone has to give.
Everyone has given their name one prop talk. Everyone has given. So there are few children that they have not given their name. If you are very busy, if you are not able to do, it's okay. If you can prepare for it, you can very well do it. Tomorrow also you can make it. If you are not able to do, no problem. It's not compulsory.
Okay,
You will get a certificate for that. That's it.
okay, it is on. It is tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, if you are able to do it, you make it, or else leave it. No need. No problem in that. It's not compulsory. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Nakshatra, I have not given your name. You are not going to prepare anything.
Ma'am, we will prepare traffic signal.
Traffic signal. I'll note it down for Nakshatra. Anyways, you please type her name and the prop talk she is going to do. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next, Shravanya also didn't give her name. Shravanya,
Yes, ma'am.
you're not going to do anything.
She'll do, ma'am. I'll come up.
Okay. Tomorrow also you have time. No problem. Morning itself you tell me what she is going to do. Okay. I'll note it down.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, fine. Okay. Thank you, children. Prepare well for your prop talk. At least 5 sentences. Try to say it clearly. Okay. All the best for you, children. Okay. You are going to rock tomorrow. So, all the best. See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, bye, children.
Bye.
Bye, Kevin. Yeah, bye, children.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.